We just left Bayanderas this morning after a really rolling night in Anchorage. It was just swell was coming in, or not a swell, but wind waves from the northwest, I guess. And miserable, man, just miserable. And so now we're heading up to Isla Espiritu Santo. Hopefully we can get a couple nights of peaceful anchorage. It's really pretty out, but yeah, we're going into the wind and the waves, and it kind of blows. So this will be as far north as we go, because I'm tired of going north, and I want to go with the waves and with the wind and not against them. So that's that. Well, we're leaving Ensenada de Los Muertos this morning to head across to Mazatlan, across the Sea of Cortez. I don't know why I'm feeling kind of a little bit of trepidation about this trip. I know that maybe because at one point we'll be 200 or 100 miles in any direction from land. It's a 200-mile crossing. And maybe because I had some engine problems, that fuel filter clogs and we lose power. Or maybe it's because we've been reading Stephen King's It to each other and puts you in kind of a little funk. But anyway, today's supposed to be somewhat lumpy, and then it should calm down tomorrow. So hopefully we can make a bit of time today with the wind. And also we both now haven't been feeling all that great from some we ate or something. So, but we're going today, so I guess we'll log the account on the camera and see how it goes. We have 80 miles left to go to Mazatlan, so we're well over halfway. It was a almost 200 mile trip, and so 80 left. So that's something. It was a pretty rough night. We have engine problems, fuel supply issues, which really are frustrating because had those since we bought this boat. It never seems to go away. So changed the fuel filter again this morning, and then we'll see what happens. I'm about to start the engine because we're making less than 2 knots here. Yeah, 80 miles left. Caught a big mahi-mahi yesterday, and so I don't know what we're going to do with all that. It's pretty big for 2 of us, but we'll somehow manage. We made it to Mazatlan. It was a long, hard journey across. Actually, it was pretty shaky and rolly, but it was 200 miles and we made it. And we're anchored in the small boat anchorage in the main harbor, which is really industrial and kind of shitty. But it's the flying fish we found on the deck. We're gonna eat it for lunch. That's not really true. But we're going to go into town today and check it out. It's cool to have made it all the way here. It was hard, and so that's awesome. And the flying fish is going to make its journey back into the sea. Oh.
Come on.